And I want to thank all of you for being here for the greatest show in college football.
Love you, Tim.
Let us first salute our opponents here today, Northwestern Wildcats. It was a great college football game. I'd also like you to join me in congratulating this great team on a wonderful victory here tonight. And I want to thank all you fans for being here for this historic game and this historic moment for Coach Paterno. In congratulating the greatest coach in college football. Now, just real quickly, I think all of us know that Coach Paterno did not do this by himself. Stu Paterno has been a big part We also have Coach Paterno's wonderful family here. Please give them all a round of applause. Now let me turn this microphone over to President Spanier for his remarks. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you all for staying for this post-game ceremony. It looks like we didn't have to twist your arm too hard. We are here to honor Coach Paterno on an amazing milestone in the history of college football. But most importantly, in addition to these 400 wins, it's not just about the victories, but how they were achieved. Success with honor and integrity. Everyone in the Penn State family is grateful to Coach Paterno, not only for what he's done for college football, but for Penn State. And we thank you from the bottom of our heart. Ladies and gentlemen, Coach Paterno.
Oh, Papa, sit down and hear my song. Oh, and if you feel like it, then please sing along. No, nothing that I want to say I haven't said before, but to use your words, you can never be too sure. See, even though I don't always show, I'm glad that you're around. I'm glad you're around. me try.